Improving the graphics settings on your Xbox Series X can enhance your gaming experience significantly. Follow these simple steps to optimize your console's graphics settings. Step 1. Access Settings. Navigate to the home screen of your Xbox Series X, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide, then scroll down to the Profile and System section and select Settings. Step 2. Select General. In the Settings menu, choose General. This will lead you to various options related to your console's performance and display settings. Step 3. Choose TV and Display Options. Under the General settings, select TV and Display Options. Here, you can adjust the resolution, refresh rate, and other display settings to match your TV's capabilities. Step 4. Adjust Video Modes. Within the TV and Display options, scroll down to Video Modes. Ensure that options like Allow 4K and Allow HDR are enabled if your TV supports them. This will enhance the graphics quality of compatible games. Step 5. Set Game Mode. Lastly, check your TV settings to ensure Game Mode is enabled. This reduces input lag and can improve overall performance while playing games on your Xbox Series X. By following these steps, you can enhance the graphics settings on your Xbox Series X for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your improved visuals and have fun gaming.